Hello students, today we are going to learn how to expand a binomial expression using the binomial formula. So we are going to use this example. So we're going to expand this to 4 terms. So what we are going to do here, we're going to put to write down our formula. Is this. So this is the formula for binomial. So what is, as you can see here, our powers of A are decreasing, whereas our powers of B are increasing. And another point to note is these coefficients, the binomial coefficients. Here our binomial coefficient on first term is 1, and on the second term binomial coefficient is represented by this n, and here it's n into n minus 1 over 2 factorial. So this is very important. So again, our next step, we are going to equate our terms here on the formula with the terms on the question. As we can see, A on the formula is equal to x, and B on the formula is equal to negative 2y. N on the formula is equal to 10. So once we did this, it's more like we have a substitution. We are not substituting these terms into this equation. So to start with, we have our term 1, which is equal to, here we can say that we have our a to the power n, and a is equal to x on our question. Hence we're going to say x to the power n, which is 10, multiplied by our b is minus 2 minus 2y to the power 0. And if we simplify this, we know that any number raised to the power 0 is 1, and we're going to have x to the power 10 as our first term. Second term, we have, this is our second term, so we're going to have our 10 for n and x for a, 10 minus 1, and as we can see, our b here is minus 2, so we're going to put minus 2 raised to the power 1 is equal to, if we simplify here, minus 2 to the power 1, we know that any number raised to the power to 1 is that number. So it means here we are going to remain with negative 2y, and if we multiply by 10 here, we're going to have negative 20 x 10 minus 1 9, and then y. And our third term, so here you can see the changes in our coefficient. So we're going to have our 10 into 10 minus 1 over 2 factorial x multiplied by 10 minus 3. Again, we're having, sorry, this is 2 or negative 2y. So on this note, we start by simplifying the coefficient here. You can do it as, so this is 10 into 10 minus 1, so this becomes 10 multiplied by 9 over 2 factorial is 2 by 1, so this will become 90 over 2 over 45. So since again here we can see we are having negative 2 being raised to negative 2y raised to the power 2, so we're going to have negative 2 to the power 2 y to the power 2, and this negative is going to be cancelled out, hence we're multiplying this by 4. So our answer here is going to be 180 x to the power 8 y to the power 2, and our term form is going to be 10 into 10 minus 2 a factorial multiplied by x 10 minus 3 and negative 2y. So again, the same operation. If we are to simplify this, we can use a calculator. We can punch our values directly into the calculator. We are going to get our answer. And this note here, if we raise a negative to the power 3, the negative is going to remain, which means our answer is going to be negative 9 for 7, 10 minus 3, and y to the power 3. So since we are required to simplify these to 4 terms, these are our 4 terms, therefore our simplified answer is going to be first term the next term is negative, the term is positive, the term is negative, so this is our summarized answer. So as you can see that when you use this formula, you must be able to define your terms in respect of the formula, and then you perform your substitution. In some cases, this n can be negative. For example, we can have xy minus 4 like this. So what is very important is just to make sure that you are defining your terms in respect of the formula. Then here it means our A is going to be x, y, our B is equal to minus 2x, and our n is equal to minus 4. And substitute these terms as they are into the formula and simplify. That will be the answer. And in some case, again, you can have this power as a fraction. The same formula can be used again to simplify that. So I hope you'll be okay. Thank you.